Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the rank biserial correlation coefficient for independent samples using Python and my stikpetP library. This video will focus on how to obtain the output, the value, not so much if you should be using this or how to interpret it. I'm using JupyterLab with a Python kernel of 3.12.7. So this is something you can use if you have two independent samples. There are actually two versions of this. Curiton was perhaps the first, but his result is actually the same as Goodman-Crosskall Gamma. And then there's Glass's version, which will actually be the same as Summers D or Cliff Delta. So different names, and we'll simply see both versions. To show how this can be done, I'll use some example data. So I'll load in pandas and then my student statistics files available on my website. We actually don't need all of its data, we just need a binary field and an ordinal field. So I'm going to be using mixed number of activities for the ordinal. And as you can see, it's actually not numbers but text. So I also have a dictionary with the proper order of and a number assigned for each of the categories. Then there is a nominal variable, gender, which only students selected male or female, so in this case that became binary. Now my library is not available directly via pip install, but well, indirectly by using the file is on my GitHub account, and once you've installed it you can load it just as any other library. Now the function of interest is actually rank biserial. R short for correlation and IS is short for independent samples. It takes as input the categorical field, the ordinal field. If you have more than two categories, you can specify which two categories to use, otherwise it will simply use the first two found. Levels, I'll be using that because my ordinal field is not numeric, so I list the options in the proper order. And the version that you want to use, either Curiton or Glass. So here's the Curiton version, which is the default, and the Glass version is also available. Now I also have a rank biserial rules of thumb function for you. So that takes of input the rank biserial, of course. You need to specify if it was the Curiton or Glass version. And then you can use a specific qualification that you want to use, so rules of thumb if you will. Then to see which ones, you can actually look at the help for the function, and then convert is another option that you actually convert it to Cohen's d and then use one of those qualifications, or to VDA. So just to show how it works, here's an example. So according to Blakey, it would be very strong classified, and if we have the Glass version, according to Romano, it would be as large classified. Right, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.